everybody. We are not in the garage today because it is 111 degrees outside and it's not 111 degrees in here. So today we are doing the Kids Robotics Crazy Robot Kit. Someone sent me, I don't remember who, but it's been here, and here we are. Crazy robot, for lack of a better name. It walks, it jumps, it flips, it spins. This is Crazy Robot. It scuttles along the floor and turns round and flips over when it reaches a wall. Steam-powered kids. This is supposed to teach science, technology, engineering, art, and maths. What it doesn't teach is spelling, because they spell Kids Robotics with a Z and an X. Unless you are graffiti on the side of a train in 1983, learn to spell. Having said that, let's get into it. All right. Alrighty. This is for ages over 8. I'm over 8. It's gonna be great. Let's see. Inside we got stuff, we got paper stuff, we got packing stuff, and we got more stuff. Alrighty, there's pictures on the box of it scuttling and turning around and flipping over when it reaches a wall. Okay, let's see what we got here. Alrighty, here we got the 1 page of instructions. We got some safety messages. Adult supervision and assistance are required at all times. I need an adult. Alright, let's get going. Alright, if you're gonna let your kids play with one of these, the first thing you need to give them is a big sharp knife. Because that can help you out in almost any situation. Alrighty. Oh boy, there's wires and all sorts of things. So, I don't know what this is supposed to look like. Is it a mouse? It doesn't have ears, but it doesn't have arms. It's not a T-Rex. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. It looks like it's got little eyes up there and like a wheel nose. I don't know. I'm thinking the robotics guy kind of phoned this one in as far as design, but we'll see. You know what? Let's wait and see. Alright, assembly. It's a bunch of pictures. So we'll follow the pictures. We got lots of stuff here. We got a motor. Put the motor in. Get your motor running. Head out on the hot. Alright. No, that's not good. It goes here. With the thingy and the wires. And the wires go through the little holes. There we are. We got some wires, we got some stuff. Alright, now we got the little leg flappies in picture number 2. And those are going to go here. Wow, that's super complicated. Okay, now we got the wheel, the little nose wheel, whatever the heck that is. That's going to go in here. Let's get it all on the camera, huh? Okay. We got nose wheels. So we got these little nuts. No, that's not right. The bottom goes on. goes on, and there's some screws. We need a screwdriver. Did they tell us we need a screwdriver? Yes, they did. Also required, but not included in the kit. 2 AAA batteries and a small crosshead screwdriver. Right, we got some screws here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty, now we can flip it over. So, I'm guessing this just wants you to tuck the wires in and stick the little plugs in there. Not the safest toy in the world, maybe, but we'll see. Hey kids, here's our new toy. It's called Bare Wires. Shock your friends. This isn't happening. There we go. They don't tell you to twist the wires together, but you know what? If it makes your life easier, do it. Okay. Just do it. Can I say that? Alright. Next, we've got a weird little tabby thing. And a little pad thing. It's padded, so you know it's safe. And on the back, we got a little paddy thing as well. And we get to flip it over. And then on the bottoms of the feet, we got more paddy things. This is the part where you might need some adult supervision. There you go. Because the open wires, you're probably fine by yourself, but you know, getting the pad on straight, that's where you want help. There we go. Alrighty. Now that's good. Now we flip it over and we got a little post. A little post. Post doesn't get a paddy thing, but the little eyes go on here. It's kind of weird that the eye hole is a little nut-shaped dealio and the eyes are not, but alright, maybe there was a arguing amongst the designers. Okay, oh, and we got another little paddy thing. It's good because we love the paddy things. Here we are. And last but not least, our 2 self-presided. Oh crap! Oh, there we go. Okay, we're good. Thing. Alrighty, the newest member of my killer robot army, the mouse looking rat flippy toy thing. Alright, let's see what this sucker can do. Alright. Come back. Got it. Hits a wall. He hits a wall. Alright. He does run around as advertised. Still think he looks weird. Hello. Hello. I think we can make him better. Hold on. There we go. Go. I wonder if these used to be sticky on the back. That's why there's backings, but they're not super sticky, so we'll glue. There we go. Hello. Much better. All right. And there you have it.